Good morning. My name's David, and this is Raymerwood. It's about a journey of mine. I've been on maybe 5 years now, maybe a little longer. 2 wood burner fireplaces in my house. Purchased a lot of wood over the years. Never had dry wood. I don't think it was dry wood. Had a very difficult time burning it. So that's what started me on this adventure, is to process my own firewood. And so I've been scavenging for firewood ever since then to try and get free firewood where I can. We have a large family property in Apex, which is close to where I live now, maybe 15 minutes away. So I started watching YouTube videos. Buck and Billy Ray helped me a lot to help understand how to fall a tree safely and correctly, at least how he's been trained to do it, his experience. And I'm still super amateur about it, and very amateur about a lot of the firewood type related stuff. But I've learned some over the years, and it's grown into a passion of mine. And this is the big saw that I bought. This was a used saw. Bought this for $600, I believe. It's either $600 or $650, something like that. It is a Husqvarna 395 XP. I have an MS 271 steel saw. And it's a great saw, but it takes forever to buck wood, even with a sharp chain. Now this right here with a sharp chain, this goes through it like butter. But everything's more expensive with this. The chain's more expensive, the bar's more expensive. This is I think around a $1,200 saw, brand new, something like that. Trying to figure out what year this is. It's got it on there right here. Here we go. 2019, so it's not terribly old. I don't know if it was used for milling or not before, but I know it's a super powerful saw. So today I'm still at the country club. Got a lot of wood to buck over here still. Most of the same stuff that I showed y'all the last few days that I've been over here bucking. It's pretty good stuff. Dump trailer's already been delivered by Bill this morning before he took off for work, which is awesome, because it's just in my neighborhood. I can just come over here and start bucking. It's a beautiful day. It's around 35 degrees, not much wind. The sun is shining. It's beautiful. So let me go ahead and get started. And thank y'all for joining Raymerwood, where it's just the right size. Oh, we got some more hickory. This is a beautiful piece of hickory. That is a beautiful piece. Ooh, be a good piece to make a mallet out of. That is nice. Looks like it was just cut recently. That maple's in rough shape. And I'm definitely gonna cut this guy up right here. This white oak. I mean, it's got knots all through it. But what can you do, right? It's free wood. Ooh, I think I may have run my saw into the ground a little bit. I'll have to look and see. It's not grabbing at all. I just checked my rakers and they're fine. So we will see what's going on here. Oh yeah, definitely hit something. Wow. Let's see if y'all can see this. I'm gonna turn around the camera. I did not think I hit anything, but look at this. Y'all see that? Right there. That fella, that guy real bad. This guy, holy cow. Look at that. So I gotta get that out. Man, I hate that. That's gonna take forever. I was trying to be careful too. Oh well. It's crazy, it's just the left side, it looks like. The right side still feels pretty good. But it's just bouncing off the wood, and I know these rakers are low. They're right. Anyway, so, all right. Gotta sharpen the chain. Joys of bucking wood on gravel over here. Good stuff. I don't know how well this is gonna show up on the video here, y'all. I don't know. But these corners are just, I think I hit something in the bark actually. I mean, they are in terrible shape. I'm gonna go ahead and sharpen this. It's gonna take a lot of strokes because, I mean, that corner is so damaged. Anyway, these corners are dinged up really bad. Really bad. This one's not terrible right here. I'm gonna get that gullet quite a bit first. Just nice smooth strokes. I used to push down super hard, and I think I did it. I just ended up using my I feel like I'm pulling a lot more with my left hand than when I first started. So this is in rough shape. I mean, the new files have a lot to do with it. When you have an old file, it's going to take you forever to sharpen these things. Finally getting there. Well, it's not perfect. It's got a little bit of that lip on it. I don't know if you can tell. Right here on the cutting edge of the tooth. It's got a little lip on it. I'm gonna get rid of that lip. A little turn into a burr. It's still kind of shiny when I look at it at the top. That's why I know it's still dull a little bit. There we go. I think I got it. Man, I had to get rid of a lot of that tooth right there. All right, that's pretty good. Not 100%, but it's close. But I had to get rid of a lot of that, y'all. A lot. Let's see if you can tell. I'm gonna turn you around real quick. Right in there. There we go. Okay. That little burr kind of hanging on there. Just a little bit on the tip. This is so hard to do when the sun is in my face. Look how bad this corner is right here. I'll show you. Look at that. This one's really bad. To that corner. Really bad. So that's what I'm doing. I'm trying to work it out. Hopefully make it look more like this guy. That's the one I just finished. But look how much I had to take off. I had to take off a ton. I'd do the same to that one. All right, I'm finished for today. Had a little time to come out here and do a little work. You can tell the red maple down here, these big rounds, and also some of the smaller ones. I mean, I'm glad to have some red maple. That's typically what we get around here. But that, I believe that's caused by the ambrosia beetle right there, and it's pretty stuff. But what I have noticed when I stacked it in my wood yard, it gets really moldy on the ends. Like the last maybe ½ inch of wood of the stick gets black. That's what I have. Anyway, that's what I've encountered with that when it's the ambrosia beetle has really done a number on it like that. I guess that's just decaying wood. I'm not sure. All you arborists out there, maybe you can tell me. Anyway, it is pretty stuff, but I'm hoping that it doesn't happen again, because it's a lot of work, and just to burn it myself and not give it to my customers. I mean, I'm fine with it, but I want to have sellable wood, you know. And see if y'all can figure out what kind of tree this is right here. I've never, that's what I like about coming out here to the country club. Their little wood yards that they have, I don't typically get this type of wood. I believe it looks like, to me, it's either a sourwood from a sourwood tree. Okay, it's kind of just a pale sapwood, a small little heartwood, kind of a lighter colored heartwood, and it smells. Let's see what it smells like. It smells like a weed. That's what it smells like. Well, that's not good, is it? Let's see what's in there. Smells like a weed. Does not have a very pleasant smell to it. It smells very earthy. So I'm thinking it's either a sourwood tree, possibly, or a catawba tree, maybe. What do y'all think? Is it hard to tell from because of the glare is just terrible out here. That's a pretty piece to look at. Let's see if I can get out of the picture there. That's what it looks like. Y'all let me know. Let me know. All right, remember y'all, it's Raymer wood. It's very bright out here, and the wood is just the right size.